Bold, beautiful, and brilliant, the design building will reflect the strengths and future of this campus. The building will feature the most advanced contemporary engineered wood structure in the eastern United States. Once again, UMass Amherst is leading the way in innovation.
This is an exciting collaboration between the College of Natural Sciences, the College of Humanities and Fine Arts, and the College of Social and Behavioral Sciences, and 3 of their academic units, the Building and Construction Technologies program, the Architecture Department, and the Department of Landscape Architecture and Regional Planning.
It will give us common shops, common studios, common areas, both indoor and outdoor, where our students can more easily collaborate.
The materials of the actual building itself, the wood itself, the copper panels on the exterior of the building are all part of the color palette and the materials of New England. There's attention to the use of native plants, the exterior rain gardens, and then the roof garden helping to manage and contain stormwater, which is a critical part of thinking about a sustainable landscape design.
Sustainability was always at the core of the building, not just at the surfaces. And so this is what led to a wood structure. Wood is actually lighter than all other structural materials, and they're very safe, much more fire safe than an unprotected steel structure, for example. By building in wood, we're actually building a carbon sink. So 2,000 metric tons of carbon dioxide are actually being removed from the atmosphere for the lifetime of the building.
Now with digital technology, being able to take smaller pieces of wood and combine it in a way that you still get mass timber, that's really what's allowed for this kind of timber engineering to come back. And so we're really at the forefront of that in the northeastern United States. I'm really excited that UMass is like the first project that's going to employ the various aspects of this technology.
It really has built on the research going on here in the Building Technology Group. So it's a very, very close alliance between the actual pedagogy and the research going on at the school and the building as it's designed. So it's a wonderful opportunity.
The floors that are going to be in this new building, which are wood concrete composite floors, where you have a layer of wood on the bottom and a layer of concrete on the top, and they're both connected, comes of our own research. We've done research in that, we've published on that. So we're very excited to be able to have that in this building.
It's a building designed by planners, architects, landscape architects, and building technologists for students that will be practicing those disciplines. So one of the goals of the building is to almost be bare bones. A lot of the infrastructure of the building will be very accessible. It will be able to be changed as ways of teaching change.
It'll be structurally actually a very exciting building to walk in, because you see all these different elements, and it's just going to be very beautiful surfaces, because you're going to have wood columns everywhere, you're going to have this wood ceiling. It's going to look very spectacular.
We're a university. We should be about doing the right thing and embracing doing the right thing. So I hope that this building here at the flagship campus will result in more buildings that are sustainable being built, not only within the UMass system, but throughout Massachusetts.